Good evening, everyone. Welcome to today's webinar on Vedic mathematics, that is unlocking the power of Vedic mathematics. I'm Jasjeet Kaur and I'm delighted to have you all join us for the entering session. Please let me know in the chat box how much you are aware about the Vedic mathematics. Is my screen visible to you, everyone? Yes, ma'am. Thank you. I'm going to share the slide. So you all are welcome once again. So Vedic mathematics, it is an ancient system of mathematical techniques that originated in India and offers simplified and efficient methods for the solving mathematical problems. Please unmute yourself. I request everyone to mute yourself. So today we will explore the fascinating world of the Vedic mathematics, and our goal is to introduce you to some key concepts and techniques that make this system unique and efficient, whether you're an educator or simply curious about the mathematics. So I believe you will something excited in the will find exciting in the today's session. So what are the fundamentals of the Vedic mathematics are there? We all know that mathematics is an amazing subject and it is the queen of all the sciences. Yes, it is a horrifying word for many across the world. Am I correct? I'm happy if we can go for an interactive sessions. So please respond accordingly the chat box. So it has been considered. Thank you, Vinita ma'am. Thank you, Gayatri ma'am. So it's a horrifying word for many across the world. So it has been considered as a dry subject, studied as an obligation. So the application of mathematics is subjects like physics, chemistry, astronomy, accountancy, statistics, geography, and even. Ma'am, I'm not sharing the screen right now. Okay, let me share the screen. Okay, so school children, they have left the people with no choice but to learn the mathematics whether they like or not like it. So school children, they feel that they have to deal with the mathematics with only till they finish the school. When they enter the college, the dream is often shattered. And things do not end there. After graduation, when they appear for competitive exams or an aptitude test for a corporate job, their plight gets worse. And due to that only, after having got it, we will see that they are struggling while getting the jobs everywhere, and they did not enter into the examinations after graduations. When they appear for competitive aptitude test, they got habituated to using the after habituated to the using the calculators all the years in the schools and studying in that time, they will find it hard to even to add a list of numbers without this help. So many youngsters, they are not able to crack these exams only because of their challenge in numerical ability. Now let's face it that how we will work out with this. As we know that mathematics is a subject that chases us like a shadow in our school, college and a professional life too. So could you please let me know how to deal with such a problem? You can unmute yourself also. You can share your views in the chat box also. Any guesses from your end? So many researchers, they have pondered and worked towards the solving the mathematical puzzle. And this is what they have concluded. The subject is more like phobia that gets inflicted in one's young minds at a young age, and it can be a fear for a particular teacher that got converted to a fear of the subject. Now Vedic mathematics, it the founder of the Vedic mathematics in India is Tirthaji Maharaj, Swami Tirthaji Maharaj, and he is the father of the Vedic mathematics. India has been the motherland of many great souls whose contributions have helped the whole of the mankind. So Vedic mathematics as subject is called a gift to the mankind by one of the greatest scholars India has ever produced, by Swami Bharti Krishna Tirthaji Maharaj. He was a prodigy who left people with awesome and admiration for his contribution to the mathematics. He gave mathematics a whole new dimensions. So according to him, Veda mathematics is based on 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras, which he discovered, which Swamiji says that he rediscovered from the Vedas rather than some sutras from the appendix of the Thar Veda. One may not find these sutras as it is in the Vedic literature. So initially Swamiji had written 16 volumes on the Vedic mathematics completeness. Even if we take this as an opportunity that we are getting such a great source to work on with this particular things. So the Vedic mathematics, they have their unique principles as I 16 sutras, which we can say as a mental mathematic techniques. Simplification shortcuts are there, techniques are there, tricks are there, fundamentals are there where we can delve into the deeper appreciation of the concept, and the practical applications too are there which will be easy to work on accordingly. Now we have some speed math techniques also, which is called as the Nikhilam. First one is Nikhilam Sutra. This is called as a powerful technique for quick multiplication and divisions, by which we can say it as a all from 9 last from 10. We will explore it while doing the practical questions. Urdhva Triyak Bhavan, it is an indigenous method for vertical and crosswise multiplication, simplifying the complex problems. Ekadikena Purvena, in this, it is a technique for adding or subtractions by using one more, that is predecessor or the successor. Ekadikena Purvena is for the basically for the addition, that is successor. Vinculum, it is a unique method for handling decimal places into the fractions, as well as we can say it has to be find the friends to the nearest 10 base. And Anurupena, it is a technique for the ratio proportion, that is, we can say it as a proportionate to the series. Now addition is example, it here we can say it as an addition base. What is the mean of that base? 10 is there. Instead of we are doing simple calculation by 4 plus 9, we are using here the technique by the Ekadikena Purvena. We are using it into the form of the base 10. So 84, it is nearest to which base? Any guesses? Maybe I know you all are very much quiet educators. So 84 is nearer to the base of 10 is 80. So we left with 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. So 80 plus 13 is 93. So like this way we can teach the students about the techniques. This is the example of multiplication. In this we can use the technique of IXI. I'll share the technique with you while doing the practical sums. So, breaking down the problems, pattern recognition, customized strategies, intuitive thinking, these are the ways to solve the complex problems. Benefits and the applications we are having for the from the Vedic math is there, that it reduces the stress reduction, it reduces the stress, improve the performance, improve the faster calculations, speed, as related to the across the STEM subjects. Career advancements is also there. We can delve into the new techniques like finance, engineering. We have the Vedic math to streamline the complex calculations. And it is not just a set of techniques but a framework for developing the logical thinking and the work for it. Now let me share with you the whiteboard. Loading. Okay, now it's there. So first of all, we are saying about the technique of Nikilam Sutra, and in this we have to say all from 9, last from 10. Screen is not visible. I am sharing the whiteboard. Benita ma'am is on the whiteboard. I am not sharing the screen right now, ma'am. Gayatri ma'am, I am working on the whiteboard. Is it visible to everyone? Please reply. Gayatri ma'am, is it visible? So all from, thank you ma'am. Thanks for confirming. All from 9, last from 10. Please let me know what is the toughest step for the students in solving the subtraction problems.
When they are having zeros, no ma'am, they don't have enough
Yes,
zero. I mean, number in the ones place or tens place, they will be getting confused. While they
perfectly
are
correct.
borrowing, they will be getting confused.
Yes, yes. This is the main problem we are facing with the students. So what we will do, we are using here the technique of Nikilam Sutra. If we are taking the example of suppose 4,285 to be taken away from the 10,000. So here the issue is there how to go for the calculation in, without using the borrowing. The simple technique is there. We can either take away one from both the ends. It's not compulsory that you will take one from both the ends. You can take two also, three also, five also. So what is one less than 10,000? We all know is 9,999. And now it's easy for everyone to work on with this by taking away 4,284 from 9,990. So, isn't it easy one? Simple for calculation. We can go for it.
Yes, ma'am.
So the answer is, thank you, ma'am. Thanks for replying. So the answer is 5715. Now let's look at the another technique here. In the concept of multiplication, if we have to multiply, let's say 43 by 11. How much time it requires to solve this sum by a traditional method?
30 seconds.
It's yes. What is the result?
473.
473. So we use the technique of traditional approach.
We use, yes.
In Vedic mathematics. Yes, ma'am. We use the, okay. Now in this, what we will do, we are using the technique of single knot sandwich. If it is the base of 10, this is 11 is there. So we are simply putting the 0 in front of 1 after the ones place and before the tens place. So this is your first step. Your next step should be, thanks ma'am for opening the camera. Please, I humbly request everyone, if you are opening the camera, it's been an interactive session for everyone. So first step should be put zeros before and after the number so that it will become, we can call it as a single knot sandwich, because we are placing only 1 0 before and after the number. Second step is there, we have to start working in the pair of ones, that is 0 plus 3, pair of 2 itself, which is equal to 0 plus 3 equals to
3.
0 plus 3 is 3. And the next step is 3 plus 4. What is it? 3 plus 4
7.
is
7.
7. And the last step here is, yeah, thank you, ma'am. And the last step is 4 plus 0, which is equal to
4.
4.
4. And here we get the answer 473. So your total answer is 473. This is only first step, that you are not aware about this technique, so it will take a time. Otherwise, simply you can do it in your mind also, that we know that there is zeros at the end. So 3 plus 4 is 7, and 4 plus 0 is 0. So the answer is 473. Or we can say it as, like, in the only in the multiplication concept of single knot, that is the tens place. Simply put the 3 at the end, 4 at the starting, and add both of them. So what is 4 plus 3?
7.
Please stop. Yeah, please stop writing on it.
Good.
Teachers, please stop writing. Please stop writing. Otherwise, I have to stop giving you the option for the collaboration. Okay, give me 1 second. I need to put it on. Give me 1 second. I'm sharing it again. Let's do this concept again. So if we are saying that we are multiplying with 43 by 11,
You want to give another example. Don't take same number.
yes, Chief. I'm using that pencil yesterday that is green. Okay. Please bear with me for a second. Anyways, let's start with it. Okay. So it is 43 by 11. So in this, simply put 3 here, 4 here at the hundreds place, and in between add both of them. You will get the answer 473. Remember one thing, when we do the multiplication of 2 digit by 2 digit, we get the answer in 3 digit. When we go for 3 digit by 2, we get the answer in 4 digits. Let's do it another way. Okay, now let me know. This is, suppose the sum is 302 by 11. Any guesses how we can solve this? Solve.
That
Let me know the
ones
answer for it
place
quickly.
2, we need to write it down.
What is the answer for this? Same technique which we did right
Is
now.
it 3322, ma'am? Is it 3322, ma'am?
Yeah,
Mm,
perfect.
3320.
yes, yes,
Perfect.
yes, yes,
Perfect.
yes.
That's true.
Mm.
Simply we use the same technique. We put the zeros front and back. That is called the single knot sandwich. Okay. Now if I'm saying that we have to say to multiply with, instead of 11, we have to multiply with triple one. Now what to do? If we have to multiply with the triple one, then we have to use it as a double knot. So we are making it as two zeros instead of the 1 0. And here we have to make the pairs accordingly. In that we are making the pair of 1, and here we are making a pair of 0, 0 and 2. This is your first step. Put the two zeros at the end. Now try it like this. Everyone try, please. We call it as a double knot sandwich because we are making two zeros with this.
Is it 30? Is it 33,221?
No, no, no. We are very close to it. Just check the calculation. What is 0 plus 0 plus 2?
33522. Is it correct?
335. 33522. Perfectly correct,
Two.
ma'am. Perfectly correct. Yes, it is. First step is 0 plus 0 plus 2
Yes.
is equal to 2, and this is
Yes. Yes.
your
Correct.
ones place. This is your ones
Yes.
place. Now for the second
Okay.
step, we have to make it from here. 0 plus 2 plus 0. And this will yours which place?
Tens place.
It is your tens place. So
Tens
we
place.
cover two places. Now the third place
Mm.
is 2 plus 0 plus 3,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
which is your hundreds place.
102. Mm.
And then we will go, yeah. And next step should be 0 plus
Next step.
3
3
plus
plus
0
plus 0.
is 3. And your last step should be 3 plus 0 plus 0.
Yes.
So this is your answer is double 3 5 double 2. Correct?
Yes.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes,
If
ma'am.
if there is any one the question is not clear to anyone, just write and see in the chat box. Sure. Thank you, guys. Ma'am. Ma'am, kindly put your down from the virtual hand from the chat box from there. Lower your, instead of raising the hand, please lower down your hand now. If you have any query, then please let me know. I'm there to help you out. Thank you.
Yes,
Now our
excuse
next
me, ma'am.
question topic is,
If,
any guesses? Yes.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
If we are multiplying 83 by
Any
44,
question?
then
Vinita
it is
ma'am?
not coming. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 83
That is the next
multiplied by
technique. That is a
44.
different technique. I'm
That is not coming
I'm
by
coming
that
to that
method.
point
That is
also,
why.
dear. Don't worry. I'm
Okay.
Yes,
I
that
was
is
trying,
coming
but
with the
not.
technique of that we will do. You know it. What I
Yeah.
said. It is with the concept of only series with one. That is 11 triple one
Okay, okay.
1111 like this. If you multiply
Right,
with the
right.
11, it
Then it is coming. But
come up,
if
come up.
we are taking different numbers, yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. Your question is, what is your question? 84 by.
83 multiplied by 44.
Okay, I'm taking it as 84 by
So I
22. Is
tried
it
by
correct?
that method.
Is this question correct, or you want me
Okay.
to change this question? Okay. Now this is the
83
concept
by
of 2D
44.
by
Huh?
2D. Okay.
Okay,
83
okay.
by 44. Let it be 83 by 44. Let it
Okay.
be 83 by 44. Now in this technique, okay.
Yes.
Now everyone, please let me know how much time required to solve this with the help of the tradition method. And let me know the answer for that, the way you are approaching, how you're working for it.
3652.
Okay, how you have solved it with the help of the calculator or with any traditional method?
No, no,
Yeah,
no,
Gayatri,
ma'am.
I'm waiting. Yes.
No, no, traditional method.
What is the
Traditional
answer?
method,
What?
ma'am. 83, 4 ja 3,
Yeah,
3652.
correct, correct.
Traditional method. Yeah, 3652. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay.
Mm.
Now,
Yes,
what we
ma'am.
will do here with the concept of Vedic math, we are doing it with the help of the
Yeah.
dot structure, and that is
Okay.
2 digit by 2 digit.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
here are we are
Okay,
having
ma'am.
two places. Let's, you can make it the structure like this also if you want to learn. This is step 1.
Okay.
Correct. Now here our first step should be for the ones place. So what we will do, let me change the color. We will first multiply ones with ones, then we will go for cross multiplication, and then we go for tens plus 10. Now what is 3 times 4?
12.
3 times 4 is 12, and
12.
then we have 2 here, we have 2 here, and we put 1 as a carryover. Now we are going to go for the second step. 8 times 4 plus 4 times 3. We are using it the technique by cross multiplication, tens with ones and ones with tens. So 8 times 4 is
12.
32.
32.
4 times 3 is 12, which is equal to 44.
40.
And we have 1
Yeah.
here, so we cross it this, we make it as a 45.
Mm.
So 4 will be here,
Again. Yeah.
and last step is 8 times 4, it is
Mm.
32, and 32 plus 4 gives you the answer 36.
36.
How is it?
Mm.
How is the technique?
Our technique is good, but we have to do practice, more practice. Yeah.
Yeah,
It's good.
ma'am. Mathematics
Mm.
is a, mathematics is a
Yeah.
subject of practice only.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
This is a concept of subject. We have to practice different
Mm-hmm.
techniques, and it's not an simply a cup of tea that we have to just learn the technique within a day or so. So we need the practice, and for that, if you want to learn, we have some courses for that also. If you are ready to go for that, it's all up to you. Now similarly,
So,
just like the series with 1, we have the series with 9 also. Multiplication with the series with 9. Okay, if
okay.
I'm saying that you have to multiply 732 by triple nine. Now please let me know how to solve this and how much time you required with a traditional approach. What's the answer? Anyone? You can use the calculators also, because I know this is not an easy calculation for you to work on within a second, and I will cover this question within 2 steps.
73268, ma'am.
731268, perfect. After working on with the traditional approach. But now what we will
Yes,
do,
Mm.
simply We will take the number 732, take away 1 from 8. What is it? 731. 731 is there. Now what we have to do? We have to take away 731 from, sorry, not to write here. Here we have write only 731, and now we have to take 731 from 999. What is the result here?
Yeah.
9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 7, 2. And here is the answer.
Yeah,
Very
very
tough.
good. No, no, not
Thank
tough.
you. So this is the way we have to work for with the help of the techniques.
Is this method is applicable for all the 3-digit number or for 999 alone, ma'am?
It is for 999 with a series of
No,
9
no,
only.
same digit also.
Any number on the top,
So like this,
any number on
different,
the top.
different. Yeah.
So this, again we
Okay.
have in this multiplication of with a series of 9, we have three different concepts is there. When we have the same nines, that is we have multiplied and the 3 digit with the 3 digit, or when the digits in the top is less, that is 2 digit by 3 digit, or we can say it as 4 digit by 3 digits. So we can say 1732 by 999. So we have different techniques for that. So Shriza ma'am, yes, I'll try to provide you the recording also. So please stay with till
Okay,
the
ma'am.
end so that you can just watch it. Okay, thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
So these
Thank
are
you.
the few techniques we are working for that. And let's. You want to learn another technique?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay, let me see what we can. Okay, simple interactive. If we have to multiply 45 by 45, what is the result? 45 by 45. This is the concept of series when we have fives at the end, squaring the numbers with the fives at the end. We have 45 square of 45.
2025.
Yes, please.
2025 by traditional
Everyone,
method. Yeah.
by which method?
Traditional method.
Method.
Yes, five
So
fives
what
are
we do?
25 and
So
five
what?
fours are 20.
Yes. 5 fives are 25.
Yeah.
And the next step is there. We are using here the concept of one more. So what we will do? We are adding 1 to the tens digit. So it will becomes 5,
Yeah.
and we are multiplying 4 by 5, and we are getting the concept of 20, and our answer is 2025. Good.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay.
after
So
adding, we
these are
need
the few.
to
Yes.
ma'am, step one is
Yes.
we need to multiply once, and step one to the tens place, then it should multiply place digit.
At the tens place, we have to add 1 to the given digit.
One.
We have to
Yeah.
add to the given digit whatever it is there. If it is 75 by 75, quickly, what is the result? 75 by 75. Mental math calculation.
70 to 25.
56 25. 56
56.
25.
Right. Okay.
7 times 8 is 56. 5 times 5 is 25. 56
Okay.
25. Now please
Yes,
switch on
yes.
the camera if it is comfortable with all of you.
Already.
Thank you. Thank you. So please let me know how it is. How was the session?
Yes,
Very
very good.
nice,
Ma'am.
ma'am. But in the first session, I didn't come.
Nice.
First 20 minutes. Kindly send the recorded.
I'll share it. I'll share it in the group. Don't worry for that.
In which group we
And
will get that recorded session, ma'am?
the way you get the link. Thank you, ma'am. Sasikal ma'am. Thank you
Okay.
very much. Thank you all
Really,
for
ma'am, it was very fruitful for us.
thanks
Very
a lot.
fruitful for us, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, dear.
Yeah.
One more
And
time. One more session. Can you conduct, ma'am? Like this?
I can conduct. I did the previous one session also. I did it in the last week also. This is my second
Oh,
session in the series.
again, one more session also
So
will be coming, no, ma'am, the next month.
I'll try to work on it. I'll try to work
Yes,
on
ma'am.
it.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Vinita ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
And
ma'am.
now
Thank you.
Okay.
Hmm.
Give some yes with division technique,
we
division
have the
technique.
techniques. We have the techniques for everything. That is
Okay,
addition,
okay.
subtraction,
Yeah.
multiplication, division, fractions, even algebraic expressions. We have different techniques
Mm,
for that. And now, once
okay.
again, I'm thanking all for joining us today. We hope this webinar has sparked your interest in
Mm,
Vedic mathematics and inspired you to explore further.
ma'am.
And the beauty of
Mm,
mathematics is lies not only in its practical applications but also its ability to deepen our understanding and appreciation of mathematical world. So if you have been inspired by what you have seen and want to dive deeper into an ancient system of mathematical techniques, I encourage you to take the next step in your learning of the journey. And for that,
yes, ma'am.
I am invite you to join our comprehensive Vedic mathematics course in which featuring 18 live classes that is designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills to teach the ancient system effectively. And
Okay.
why you should consider enrolling for that? That is, first of all, we are getting the live in practice sessions. That is, you will get the clarification, clarifying your doubts right now on the real time itself, as we did right now.
Mm,
And our course covers the class-wise topics, providing a systematic approach to mastering the Vedic mathematics from basic principles to the advanced techniques. And each class builds upon the previous one.
okay.
So if
Okay.
you want to join the program to secure your spot, what do you think that the what are the expected fee for the course? Any guesses?
Course fee.
Free
Yeah. What are the
from
charges for the course?
May 20th to 31st only you are telling, no, ma'am.
Pardon?
One more we saw in that group from May 20th to 31st.
Yeah, that was the
One
session for
course,
the
this Vedic
students.
math.
Yeah, that was the session, free session for the students from grade 3 to 8. I am
Oh,
already
Okay.
yeah, I have already started the session for the
okay.
teachers after
Hmm.
learning Vedic mathematics. After joining the course, you will get the PDFs for the workbooks. You will get the ebooks also. You will
Okay.
get the recordings also.
Mhm.
With that, you will get and you will get the
Okay.
lifetime
Thank you.
access, and whenever you are in need of my services, I am there to help you out. Don't
For
worry
that
for
one,
that.
cost, ma'am, for from May 20th to 31st.
The cost is for the particular course for the 18 live sessions.
Ah,
The course is 8,000, but being you
okay.
are a member of this particular webinar, so I'm providing 50% discount to anyone who wants to join. So the course is for 4,000 only. So if you want
4,000.
to, yeah, if you want to reserve your seat, so take the advantage of the early bird discounts and the bonuses also. What we am giving you the worksheets and the PDFs and the workbooks and the lifetime access for the recordings also. And this offer valid only for those who will enroll in the webinar only. If you want to enroll, you can just I'm just sharing the contact number. If you want me to, if you want to share your, you want to enroll, my
Okay.
contact number is, you can just note it down.
Hmm.
Thank you
Yes, ma'am.
everyone for giving so many
9210479173.
responses.
Yes, ma'am.
again,
9210479174. If you
Info.
are ready to
one,
join, just
one,
In this number, we want to
nine.
pay the
ma'am.
GPay.
Again, repeat.
Yeah, it
Ma'am, please
92,
repeat.
repeating, I'm repeating, 9210479174. You can pay via GPay, you can pay via phone pay, you can pay via Paytm also. So
Excuse
by the end of today, if you are ready to enroll,
Madam.
I've already started the session, so we can join you there also. And yes, you are getting the participation certificates also, those who have paid for that. I provide the certificates link in the group also. Ma'am, if you are there, I'll share it with you. If those who have not paid and they want the certificates, they will have to pay for that. Okay?
excuse me, ma'am. I'm having one doubt.
Yeah, Gayatri ma'am.
Ma'am, actually, I mean, just I explore this Vedic math because we have some presentation in the month of June.
Mm-hmm.
And they have given. Uh, so what I explored, I mean, for subtraction, multiplication, and all, as you said, many are there.
Mm-hmm.
But for I explored only very few, like this line addition, below canum, like that I wrote. What doubt means what the name of the name I don't know for line addition. Where it is Dashamamsha, Dasamsha. I mean, people are telling it different way. Which one is correct? I don't know. That's why I put you, ma'am.
Ma'am, dot structure is there. The techniques are the same. Everyone uses their own way. But from where I learned from the government institution, and I'm an international certified trainer also for the abacus as well as from the Vedic math, and I'm a government certified trainer. So what I will teach you according to the uh, curriculums, what exactly it is there in the needs of the Vedic math rules and regulations. I'll provide you the uh, theory for that also. You will get into the theory for every topic. Along with that, the worksheets, along with the worksheets for working on that particular concepts also.
What is that name? I mean, correct pronunciation. Don't know whether we call it as Dashamamsha or Dasamsha for line
Which one?
addition.
Nikilam, Nikilam
Line
Dashtam.
Okay. Then we don't have any skill
That
of
we have, that is Nikilam Navtashachram
Am
Dashata.
I pronouncing it correctly, ma'am?
Correct, correct. It is Nikilam Navtashachram Dashata. That is all from 9 and last from 10.
Okay.
Dashata means 10. So the Sanskrit, the sloks are all in the Sanskrit.
Okay.
So we have 16
Thank you,
sutras
ma'am.
and 13 sub-sutras. That is, first is Ekadikena Purvena Nikilam Navta Shachram Dashata. Then we have Urdhav Tiryabhyam. Then Parvata Yojate. Like this, we have 16 sutras.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
this is what you
Ma'am,
have
you
to
have
work
told no
according.
that ma'am, Nikilam, you have told no all from 9, last from 10.
Yeah.
In that one more also I saw that from as the first example 10,000 minus 4,285. Uh,
Yeah.
what they have done means the one says it as 10 minus 5, 5, and for the remaining zeros, they considered it as 9 and they subtracted. But this, what you taught, is very easy, like one subtracting from both the numbers and then do the calculation without borrowing.
This is
But
what, yeah,
yes,
that is what also is there, that last from 10 and
yes,
all from 9. That first one we have to take away from the 10, then we have to take away all the from 9, and we have to take the predecessors of the highest value place is there. So in that also the student, someone
Yes.
but
they stuck.
but
Yes,
here
yeah,
we
Tony,
can
sorry
take
to
any
interrupt
other
you.
number also.
It's very
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
you can take,
Here we
you
can
can
take.
take.
Uh,
our main
yes, ma'am.
our main concern is to help the child to get out of the fear of the
Yeah.
mathematics. So
Yes,
whatever
ma'am.
the way the
Yes, yes.
student is
Absolutely.
understandable, we have to deliver the material as per the student's
Mm.
requirement.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Very good. Mm.
Correct? So I'm
Okay,
waiting
ma'am. Thank
for
you.
all of you to join the course. Let's start the
Yes,
journey
definitely,
together.
ma'am.
How many are interested
Yeah.
to join?
Ma'am,
How many are there?
what time, ma'am?
Within
Yes. Vinita ma'am is there. Tasvin ma'am
when
is,
we have to
yeah,
say that,
by
ma'am,
the end of
any
today.
time date limit is there. By the end of today, we
You
have
have
to
to, you have,
confirm whether we are.
yeah, yes,
Uh,
yes.
okay, ma'am.
You can just
Okay, ma'am.
message me
Mm.
on my WhatsApp
My
number.
question is,
And
ma'am,
then
when you
Mm.
are taking courses, when it will be, do you need that I'm asking.
the classes to be conducted on Saturday and Sunday 3 to 4 p.m. I'm not taking the classes
Okay,
But
on
ma'am.
the
we will be
weekdays
having
because
school on Saturdays, ma'am.
at what time, dear?
No, ma'am. So on on Saturday it is not possible, ma'am. 3 to 4 we are in the school,
Yes,
so not
Saturday.
possible on Saturday.
No worries. If you
Yes.
want, if there is another one, I'll make another batch.
Okay, ma'am.
Because my
Okay.
concern
Okay,
is there to help the
okay,
teachers as per their requirement. If you all are there in a
okay.
requirement of making another batch on the weekdays also in the late evening hours, then also please let me know. We can schedule it for 7 to 8 p.m. also.
Yeah, yeah.
6:30 to
Mm.
7:30
Ah,
p.m.
yes,
also.
yes. That
Mm.
is okay. That is okay. That is okay. That is okay.
Okay, dear.
Okay.
So and
At that time,
Ma'am,
yeah,
one more
yeah.
doubt, ma'am. Ma'am,
yes,
Just
ma'am.
completing
ma'am,
this.
abacus also you are taking it, right?
Yeah, I will start the backers, but not right now, because if you will go simultaneously, then it
Ah,
will not help you out. So after completion of this Vedic math, we will go for the abacus also.
abacus. Okay,
I
ma'am.
am a
Okay.
certified,
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
international
Yes.
certified trainer for
Certified.
abacus as well as a
If anything,
Okay.
Vedic
if you are
math.
started now, we will contact you now. You will guide you.
Definitely for
Thank
your entire life, lifetime
Ma'am,
access is there from my end. Don't
Okay,
worry
ma'am.
for
Thank
that.
you, ma'am. Thank you very much,
you.
ma'am.
From my
Well
side
said.
share the
also.
details of the course and action.
From my side also. If any course
Thank
you
you.
are going to start, please just inform to me.
I
Yes,
I'm
I'll
also
ma'am.
ready
inform
to
you.
do.
Just
Yes.
yeah, thank you, dear. Just pay
Yes,
me by the
ma'am.
end of the day,
Thank you, ma'am.
and we will
The
start the course
session
as per
was
your
really
requirement.
interesting, ma'am.
Yes, Gayatri ma'am.
Okay.
And the session was very, very interesting, ma'am. Thank you so much. I mean, share the details of the
It
course
was
and
very
what is the
good.
duration of completing that course and
Yeah.
all, ma'am.
The duration of the
For
course
us
is
to, I
18 to
mean, join
18.
this.
Yeah, carry on, Gayatri ma'am.
Please, ma'am, please. Please, ma'am.
So the course is for 18 session. If it requires, we can extend 2 sessions more. And apart from that,
Okay.
I will guide
Okay.
you. I will teach you some bonus. What we can say is bonus courses also there. That is the how to go for helping students to direct in the magic squares, or the birthday magics are there like this. So we will get accordingly that
Okay.
also. So, anyways,
Okay.
mastering the Vedic math opens doors to a world of mathematical elegance and efficiency. Join our course, embrace the wisdom of the
Yes, ma'am.
ancient techniques, and empower yourself to excel in the mathematics. Thank you for your interest,
Definitely.
and we look forward to
Thank you very
welcoming
much,
you.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank
Welcome,
you,
dear.
ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome. I welcome you all
Okay.
to join our live
Okay. Thank you
classes.
so much.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye
Sure, sure.
bye. See you.
Bye,
See you
ma'am.
soon.
So
Bye.
how?
Bye-bye.
Thank you,
Bye
ma'am.
bye. How?
If you have any
Okay.
query, you
How we
can
will get
contact me, message me
certificate?
directly. Yes.
How we will get certificate, ma'am? How we will get certificate? You said na.
You will get the link in the
How
group
we will
itself.
get
You will get the
certificate?
group in the link itself.
Okay.
About about the course
Okay,
or
ma'am.
about the
Thank you.
webinar.
Thank you.
I after the session,
No,
by
no. Means
the end of
about the course or
about the webinar, you will get it today itself or by the early morning hours. And please collect your certificates because the link will be valid for
okay.
24 hours only. And for the Vedic Maths course, I'll provide
Okay,
you
ma'am.
the certificate also, which is valid for the international level also from the franchisee
Yeah.
where we are working for that.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am. Okay.
we will get the certificate
Okay.
both for
Kindly
the
Okay.
abacus as well as the
session, ma'am.
Yes. 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 Okay.
you after completion of the course, you will get the certificates in which you are certified for teaching the Vedic math courses as well as the abacus courses. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you
Bye
so
bye.
much, ma'am.
Welcome.
Bye, ma'am.
Welcome
Thank you
dear.
so much.
Welcome. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye.